The Winton CS6 automates the stripping process to provide repeatable results on semi-rigid coax cable down to 0.47 inches. The Winton CS6 semi-rigid coax stripping machine automates precision stripping of semi-rigid coax cable. Provides a repeatable CNC-controlled process for removing the outer conductor and dielectric while helping reduce process variability. Winton's CS6 is high precision, high-speed turning, touchscreen control, fully automatic stripping, 3-level stripping capability, quick change tooling, easy to program or add a Windows PC interface. Processing a variety semi-rigid coax from 0.86 inch down to 0.47 inch. Winton has a full line of semi-rigid coax cable production machines.
From prototype to full production, Winton provides the equipment to bend, cut, strip, point, and precisely measure semi-rigid coaxial cable. Our American-made solutions are ideal for aerospace, defense, satellite communications, RF and microwave electronics, medical technology, and other high-reliability applications. When precision matters, build it with Winton. Contact us today at wintonmachine.com for more semi-rigid coax cable production solutions. Got questions? Leave us a comment below.